We just arrived now in Abu Dhabi. So we're going to the baggage claim area. So is this what do you call this one? The tube. Going down to the baggage, then immigration. Very high tech yung Abu Dhabi. Ang ganda ng airport facilities na. So from Manila, bagsak kami ng Jeddah, and then Jeddah to Abu Dhabi. Intentionally na dumaan kami ng Saudi Arabia because we want also to check, visit yung Saudi. It's the first time to visit yung Saudi, yung sa Jeddah. This one, impressive din yung airport facilities. May solid architectural design here in Abu Dhabi compared dun sa Jeddah na maganda naman, but it's more of parang size, here naman compact siya, and you have a lot of mga architectural designs. Maganda ng tingnan nyo, mukhang mataas ata yun. We're going underground. See? Ganda, no? Experience Abu Dhabi. Ito yung parang tourism slogan nila. So Abu Dhabi is part of the United Arab Emirates. Okay. Papasok pa kami doon.